Hi, my name is Yentel Nicholas. I am a sophomore and I'm currently majoring in forensic accounting. Throughout this tutorial, I will be going through how you use the function HLOOKUP and also lookup function and COUNTIF function in Excel, and how those different functions will allow you to look up to certain data within a data table. This specific data set will include zip codes, area codes, cities, counties, so that we can tie in which counties are aligned with which zip codes and vice versa. The process of doing HLOOKUP, first you need to open up the document that says video data, and we will first start off with the zip code 30307, which you will put into the cell B3. Then, to find the city that aligns with the zip code 30307, you will use the function. First you put equals HLOOKUP, and if you go to the top here and press the function tool, you'll be able to look at it in a more expanded value, and you will put into the lookup value the cell B3. The table arrays the entire table of data that we will be using, which is C10 colon to DD21, and the row that we will be looking up is 3, which gives us the city of Atlanta. Now to find the county, you will use the same process. You use =, HLOOKUP. You can open up the function value here. The lookup value is still B3. Table array is the same, C10 to DD21. But the row this time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the county. And you will put false here, and you will get DeKalb County as the county for the zip code 30307. Now to find the alternate city, instead of using HLOOKUP, we will use the lookup function, and you can use the result vector. So the lookup value is still B3. The vector that we will be looking at is C14 to DD14, which is the row for alternate city. Press OK. The result we get is 0. We can check this by going to 30307 and seeing that the alternate city value here is 0. Now to see how many times College Park is listed in this data. So we will use the COUNTIF function, and we'll start with the equal sign. We type COUNTIF. You can open up the function tool again. The range that we will be using is the entire data function, so that we can see when College Park is used and how many times. So the entire range is C10 to DD21. Criteria, we will put the word College Park so that it will look up College Park within this array. Now we're getting the answer 2, and we can verify this by going through the table and seeing how many times manually College Park is shown. We first see it here, and we also see it again right here for AW14, and that is a total of 2 times. We can continue in the data table, see if there's any more times. There are none. Okay, going back, that is how we do it for HLOOKUP, and we can also try it again with another zip code. Let's do 30337. Press enter. You see that certain values change. So as we can see, the city did not change because it's still the same area using B3 in the function, the same data table array, C10 to DD21, the third row, still Atlanta. But when we get down to the county actually changed based on the zip code that we inputted now. 30337 is not in the same county as 30307, and we can see that by still using the function HLOOKUP. with the lookup value of being B3, which contains the zip code, and row 6, which contains the whole list of counties. And we can also see that the alternate city value also did not change for this specific zip code as well. And the number of times of College Park in this data table is the same. The number did not change. It is still 2 times. And that is how we utilize the HLOOKUP function to look up different things that might be in a data table that might be hard and minuscule to go through, as it is a large data table. The HLOOKUP value function is very easy to look up specific points of data. I hope this tutorial is very beneficial for you all, so that you're able to now look up how to look up your area code.